Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naeem Abbas. Today I am from Labs Binyameen campus. Today I deliver a lecture on page number 165, lecture number 8 to construct an angle of 150 degree. Example number 12, construct angle ABC measuring 150 degree. Step of construction. Look in the picture. How to draw angle of 150 degree. I tell you the method of the how to draw. Step 1, draw XY ray, make a point A on XY. Step 2, with the A as a center and with the suitable radius, draw an arc to the intersect XY at P and Q. Step 3, with the Q as a center and with the same radius, draw an arc to the intersect the previous arc at M. And step 4, with the M as a center with the same radius, draw an arc to the intersect the same arc at N. Step 5, with the N and the P as a center and with the same radius, draw two arcs to intersect each other at B. Step 6, B to A. Angle BAY is equal to 150 degrees, the required angle. Lecture 8, page on 166. To construct an angle of 165. An angle of 165 is equal to the 150 degree plus bracket close 30 degree minus 15. Therefore, an angle of 165 degree can be constructed as follow. Look in the picture. Example 13, construct an angle measuring 160 degree, 165 degree. Step of construction. Step 1, construct an angle 150 degree. Step 2, with O and P as a center and with the same radius, draw two arcs to intersect each other at R. Step 3, join R to A and angle RAY 165 degree is required angle is done.